Hi everyone, Ithute here from Cigarettes with another video. Today we're talking all things to do with hair. How do you describe the process of getting your hair done? These flat twists. What is the lingo? What do you do? What do you say? Hope you can join me for the video. Let's get started. So to look after your hair, shout out to my 4C girlies, is a lot of work. Which you can outsource. You can have someone do your hair for you, or you might do it yourself. But it starts with a clean head, clean scalp, clean hair. So utlapa muriri, you wash your hair. Kapa is wash, muriri is hair. Utlapa muriri, utlapa muriri. Now after you do that, you dry it. Wa uomisa muriri, usutla muriri, wipe it, but you make it dry. Whether then you blow dry it, that's up to you. And then you put some hair conditioning treatment to it, which might be oil or lotions, moisturizers. Otsasa mahura. Otsasa mahura. Or if it was me, Ketasa mahura momuriring wami. Ketasa mahura momuriring wami means I'm applying moisturizer oil onto my hair. My hair. Muriri wami means it belongs to me. And then you comb it with an afro comb. Afro comb is pigara. Pero kama murir. It's a pick. You know, there's a hair comb that looks like your fingers, like this. So you use those things to pick your hair. Pigara in Setswana, pigara. You pick it. Wow, kama. After you've combed it, if it's an afro, you might kind of pat it in, papaitela, just to compact it, to shape your afro around. Papaitela. Means you're compacting it, to shape it around. Kama papaitela. And then if you're going to actually, style your hair, open the lines, bula di tselana. Bula is open, tsela is road. So open a road, basically. Part your hair. Bula di tselana. And then you plait it, whether that's a cornrow, a flat twist, braids. To plait, loha. So, loha cornrow, the Setswana version of cornrows. Flat twist, I don't think there is a Setswana version for that. Mapondo are those big kind of 3-strand twists. Big blocks, which can be 3-strand twist or with the threading, so African threading. Holoha mapondo is that one. Holoha braids, multiple braids, plait braids. Keloha di braids means I am having braids done on my hair. And then or di braids, which is to put braids on, because usually they're extensions. And then you keep it like that. You wash it with your braids in and keep up the hair maintenance. And then after a while, you take it off. Tatulola means unravel. So whether you're unraveling your flat twists, your braids, mapondo, you unravel. Tatolola muriri means unravel your hair. And you go back to washing it again. Washing your scalp. Tapa muriri, tapa toho. And the cycle continues. And that right there is a vocabulary to describe in Setswana how we look after our hair. Till next time, bye.